Okay, so in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to do the password validation using Regex. I'm not going to go over how I've done all of this. I've already made videos using the sign up and also using a login. Okay, so you can just go and search that. So to quickly go into this, I've already written out the code because I didn't want to waste time doing it, because it's basically just copy and paste with the same things. So let's get into the first one, which is I've done this using regex. Okay, but you can just use the dot length is less than 8 if you want. Okay, and I've covered that in a different video. And what's happening here is I'm just using regex code. Okay, and I'm getting the password field, and this is a state. I'm storing the password variable inside of this, and I'm getting the password, and then I'm just matching the regex. Okay, and I've added here, and this is what's doing the longer than 8 and less than 10 thing. Okay, so what's happening here is I've added 8, and it's saying that the minimum characters need to be 8 and the maximum need to be 10, and if you do not want a maximum, then you can just remove this and add this like this. And what this will do is just allow you to add as many characters as you want after 8. The minimum is still 8. So let's do this. I'm gonna remove this one. Okay, just gonna clear this. I'm gonna save this. Okay, so I'm gonna type in, just type in anything right now. I'm just doing this. As you can see, I have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 characters, so it did not give me an error. But now I have 7, and as you can see, the password must be longer than 8 and less than 10 right now. And it's longer than 10 now. I'm going to do 10, save this, this, less than 10, sorry, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, it's longer than 10, and I'm gonna add 1. It's gonna be equal to 10. If I add 1 more, it's gonna be longer than 10, and as you can see, there is an error. Okay, and let's go to the second one, which is add an uppercase. So what's happening here is very simple. I'm again matching it with the value we get from the password, and I'm doing A to Z, but it's capital A to Z. This one is for the lowercase a to Z. Okay, now I'll type in I've added the uppercase characters and no lowercase. That's why this gave me this. And now I'll add in I've added in no uppercase. That's why I got the uppercase error now. And now I will add this, and now you can see I have no uppercase, no lowercase, and no minimum 8 error. And now I have the one special character error, which is basically I'm doing this. I'm adding in that one of these has to be in here. Okay, and I'm just gonna add the @ symbol, and I'm gonna submit. Oh, must not be longer than 8. Oh, sorry, must not be longer than 10. I'm gonna remove this. I'm gonna save this. Okay, it should be saved now. Okay, and now if I submit this, as you can see, no errors. So that's how you do validation using Regex. After we get to 1,000 subscribers, we'll be making full stack development videos. So help the channel get to 1,000 subscribers. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.